Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott front left air strut for the Mercedes-Benz GL GLS-Class X166 and ML GLE-Class W166 with ADS, but without ADS+. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the left front wheel. Open the hood and remove any applicable rubber trim as needed. Remove the panel to gain access to the air strut top mount. Next, disconnect the airline from the strut assembly. Remove the 3 top strut mount nuts. Now disconnect both damping coil electrical connections. Unroute the wires from the strut wire harness bracket. Continue by removing the upper sway arm link nut. Now disconnect the steering link from the wheel carrier mount. Next, remove the bottom strut mount bolt. Disconnect the wheel carrier and upper control arm. Once they are disconnected, separate them. Then separate the sway arm link from the wheel carrier mount. Disconnect the axle at the gearbox enough to help maneuver the strut removal. Now carefully remove the air strut to complete the removal. Start by carefully installing the new strut into the vehicle. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now, reinstall the axle back into the gearbox and reconnect the sway arm link at the wheel carrier mount. Continue by reconnecting the wheel carrier and upper control arm. Now install the bottom nut and bolt. As always, tighten them according to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the steering link to the wheel carrier mount. Also reinstall the sway arm link nut. Reconnect and secure the strut damping coil wires. Now install the 3 top strut mount nuts. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Next, reinstall the panel covering the air strut top mount. Now reinstall any additional applicable rubber trim or paneling. Reinstall the left front wheel. Inflate the air system and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Mercedes-Benz air strut with a new Arnott air strut. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.